This year at Carlisle School, we're launching our STEAM program, which involves science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. Part of our program will involve a tower garden. The tower garden is a way to grow vegetables inside in a sustainable way, and it uses a aeroponic system that will help the plants to grow without using soil.
Many schools across the country are using the garden tower as a resource in their school gardenings because of the sustainability of the project. It uses about a third of the water and uses far less space as a traditional garden would. We can use it in science, we can use it in art, we can use it in math, we can use it in many subjects, and we can actually move this tower garden into our classrooms. The kids collect and study and analyze data that they collect off of the tower garden. Each day, each week, each month, they can look at the growth of the produce, and ultimately the best thing, the kids get to eat what they grow in our school cafeteria, and we will also be making donations to our local food banks for the children to understand giving back to the community.
We are very pleased to announce that our school is partnering with the Martinsville Garden Club and the Garden Study Club of Martinsville. These organizations have offered to help us financially with our garden tower program, and they will also come into the school and work with our children throughout the year.
We think this is a great way to introduce children to growing their own vegetables and to the healthy aspects, the environmental aspects, and we're just really honored to be a part of your project. I think children, if they are introduced to sustainable gardening early in their lives, will take it with them. When they are grown up, they will take it forever. I also think that if they're engaged in the growing process, they are going to be way more likely to eat vegetables, to try new vegetables that they've never tried before or think they wouldn't like. If they grew it, they will eat it. They'll be excited when they see something they grew. Plus, you're not going to be using pesticides and chemicals. These vegetables and fruits are going to be not only healthy for them, but delicious as well. And I think it's really important for our environment that we embrace and teach our children to embrace sustainability. To come into a classroom full of children who are excited about learning is exciting for us, for the grown-ups. And I think will be a real privilege for us to be able to interact with your students.